I'm really proud to say that I'm working here. The reputation, the quality, the strength, the standard. Stabicraft is world class. So this is a high rail bow rails for 1550 frontier here. So yeah, we've just finished cutting now, and then we'll have to drill the hole for the mounting, and this is a removable one. All right, Mike, thank you.
Thanks so much.
So my previous job first, I did mechanical engineering, and then from there, construction buildings, and then alloy welding, boat building. My home in Fiji in Rewa, so just near the Suva, Nukutumbu Rewa. This is the base for the bow rails. Yeah, it's gonna be there. Working in here, and it's like a home to me. New boats, new development, new plans, and to bring my family over, you know, it's really challenging. After 1 year I'm here, I bring my family over. To take that move, you have to stand up, you know, you have to stand up and be courageous. You have to stand up and be strong. That's good. Our next step now is to put on the uprights. Right. Dealing with alloy, cleanliness is very important. Before we do welding, we make sure that there will be no dirt or no oil. When we push it out to the tank bay, it's really perfect.
What's up?
Need
check off.
Check off. Please.
Okay, I'll be right there. I'll
Right.
tap the side and I'll come over.
Yeah.
We are just doing our quality check, just making sure we're not finding any holes or anything out of the ordinary. Any kind of cracking, any kind of imperfection. I've been here 10 years. Yeah. What hasn't changed? Oh, the good people.
I love working with my friends here, helping one another, and then stand for one another, encourage one another. We laugh together, we joke together. I really love these guys here. Really love these guys.
Right. I'm pretty happy with that.
Very good.
Yeah, just those
Awesome.
just that nick mark, just the penetration come through.
Oh, okay.
So just re-weld that, and that'll be fine. Be absolutely perfect.
To finish up a boat with a high quality, that's really I admire. I want to maintain that kind of workmanship. Even on the road, when I see Stabicraft boats coming across, I just told my family, "Hey, Stabicraft is coming, Stabicraft!" Yeah, I'm really proud of Stabicraft. My favorite memories is the first day. The first day when I walk in, I couldn't forget that. Straight to the test table, and the supervisors are there. So I go straight away and do. After that, they check it, and they say, "Oh, you're good to go. We'll take you right now." For me, nothing is impossible. If you're thinking of coming from Fiji to New Zealand and working in Stabicraft, just want to encourage you. If I can make it, you also can make it.